morning and now it's time to get dressed. I put some Bob Marley music just to take away stress. Thinking about this mission we gotta go through as I lace up my boots. Baghdad ain't no joke, y'all, no false but true. Will I die, will I get hurt, that's what's always on my mind. Will he die or will he die, it's just a matter of time. Put on my vest, put on my helmet, kiss my family's picture. Email my girl for a second, let her know that I miss her. Grab my rifle and my ammo, look at myself in the mirror, then talk to God for a minute, make my vision more clearer. Help me understand, Lord, that your will be done. If I should die today, please take care of my daughter and son. Give me the strength, give me the courage so I can lead my men. And please forgive me if I should kill someone, I love you, amen. Walking out my room, so to say, and be safe and come back. Then I throw him the peace sign and walk to my death trap. We just trying to stay alive, cause we ain't promised tomorrow. All this pain that we feel inside, it's harder to swallow. Are we living on borrowed time? Will today be my last? Cause soldiers dying every day, y'all, they killing us fast. Nobody knows when it's their time to go, but what we do know, when we going down in a fight for show. Who's gonna have your back like we do when your freedom is tested? Talking down on why we here and got the balls to protest.